Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, power windows, security system, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.